Yo, what's up, you guys? J-Ray Plays. We are gonna open up an Eeveelutions Flareon tin. Let's go! I'm very excited. I like these tins a lot. Yeah, I have quite a few. So I'm gonna open all three, not in this video, but in like a subsequent order. Excuse me. It's gonna be like a little battle. So episode 1, Flareon. Let's see. Watch out, pins. Oh, what he's got to offer. First of all, look at that card. Oh my goodness. Very nice card. Very nice looking. All the oh no, my sleeve. All the promos. These tins looking real nice. Oh yeah. Cool. You know what we do. Put them in defense mode. Alright. Give me like a code card. Ooh, okay, we got some packs. Let's take this thing out. Let's just move the tin. Move the tin in general. But, excuse me again, goodness. Before we move the whole tin, take a look at it. Take a peek. It's a nice looking tin with the flame. Ooh, Flareon again with the Vaporeon. And don't forget my boy Jolteon. Oh, Pokemon. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. So we got an Evolving Skies, a Chilling Pain, a Battle Styles, and a Sword and Shield base set. Let's start with the Sword and Shield. Shall we? Bless it. All of you. You can even see Charmander. Bless it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Cool. Let's do it. Let's hope for some fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say fire. Oh, potion into Great Ball, Corvus Squire, Galarian Ponyta, Sobble, Mawile, Shelder, Grookey. Ooh, Hop Reverse into Orbital, non-hollow. All right. Okay. Sword and Shield base set. Go Chilling Rain. I'm gonna say lightning. Psychic. Justified gloves. Welding gloves. Oh, weeding gloves. I'm sorry. Avery, Scorbunny, Shuppet, Cubfu, Little, Quillfish. Ooh, Gravelocked. Spiritomb non-hollow. Okay. 0 for 2. 0 for 2, 0 for 2. Yo, but we got the Battle Styles. Right? Yeah, haha, Battle Styles. Yeah. Okay, Battle Styles, yeah. Ah, nuts. Psychic, Urn of Vitality, Energy, Recycler, Golbat, Shinx, Houndour, Ponard, Cubone, Remoraid, Luxray, Salazzle non-hollow. Alright, you guys. So far this tin has not been treating us very well. But it can all change. It can all change with a single card. And we're gonna go dark. Dang, I didn't even guess one. Ursaring, Scrollfang Dragon, Pyroar, Love Disc, Glossifleur, Slickoth, Emolga, Carvanha, Crustle. Oh, Noivern V. Yo, I'll take that. I will take that. Off a green card? Okay. Yo, where are my sleeves? Okay, yo. I don't think it's like an amazing card, but I don't have it, and I'll take it. Cool. Our only pull, really, but sick. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Follow my Instagram, JRayPlaysPokemon, JREYPLAYS Pokemon. Tune in for, all my polls, all my cool cards I'm getting, everything else. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.